Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to reactivate a PrizePicks account in a simple and clear way. First, open the PrizePicks app or go to the official website. Try logging in using your email and password. In some cases, the activated accounts can be reactivated just by signing back in. If you cannot log in, look for the option to contact support. Open the Help or Support section and choose Live Chat or Email Support. Tell them that you want to reactivate your PrizePicks account. They may ask you to confirm your identity by verifying your email or providing basic account details. If your account was deactivated temporarily for verification or inactivity, support will usually reactivate it once the checks are complete. If the account was self-excluded or closed for responsible gaming reasons, there may be a waiting period before reactivation is allowed. Support will explain if and when your account can be reopened. Once support confirms the reactivation, log back in and check your account status. Your balance and settings should be restored if the account is successfully reactivated. That is how you reactivate a PrizePicks account. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the description for more guides.